How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over all of our new flash carbines we have recently introduced. So starting over here, I wanted to start with our Quad Carbine 18. So you'll see that this unit has amber flashing functionality. And then right next to it is our Circle Carbine 18. So if you like the Quad Carbine look or the Circle Carbine look, those are both great options, and we do have those available in amber warning, and they also have their work light mode, which we'll go over in just a second. And then here is our Flash Carbine 140, and I brought this unit in a blue, and we do offer this unit in amber, red, and blue. And again, this unit has warning and work light functionality. So I'll go ahead and activate all of these. So again, that's our Quad Carbine 18, our Circle Carbine 18, and our Flash Carbine 140. And you'll see that those units are in their warning mode, or you can override that mode and go to your Spotlight mode if you would like to as well. So again, these are great units if you need a warning and work light in one. So again, we offer the Quad and the Circle in amber only, and then we offer the Flash Carbine 140 in amber, red, and blue. And then moving over here, we recently introduced our combo dual carbine 14-inch and 20-inch light bars. So these light bars here, I brought this unit in a red, and the 20-inch, I brought this unit in a green. Now we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid and half-half color combinations in the light bars here. And so you'll see that they're in their warning modes, and these units have multiple flash patterns, so you can program a pattern you'd like. And then you also have your Spotlight mode, which I can activate here. And on all of these units, you will have your work light or Spotlight mode and your warning mode as well. And then on your Quad and your Circle, the work light mode will actually override the warning mode there. So you'll see that that unit completely overrides to work light mode. But again, you'll see that we do have plenty of options if you are looking for a warning and work light in one. Whether you're looking for a small pod light, to a side shooter style light, or to the 14-inch or 20-inch light bars. If you have any questions, make sure to check out the product demos on each of these product pages, and also check out the flash pattern videos and also our interactive players on all of the product pages so you can fully demo your units before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.